In Magic the Gathering, there are 5 different colors, each play differently than the others. Today, I will be helping you find out which color fits your personality best and explain what they do. This is not for new beginners, and this is not how to play the game. Thanks. The first color we will start with will be red. Red is a very aggressive color. Red usually tries to build up a giant board and swing out for a lot of damage. When combined with white, it usually specializes in putting out one main guy and attaching a bunch of enchantments to that guy. When specializing with blue, it now focuses on instants and sorceries. And when it's by itself, it mostly focuses on a bunch of burn spells to deal direct damage to your opponent, with its 2 major types, goblins, to swing out big with a huge cloud, and dragons, who can fly over your enemies and deal a lot of damage. Next, we're going on to green. Green is a giant type, as I like to call it. It generates a lot of mana to play ginormous spells. When it is combined with that, it becomes Golgari, or green black, and specializes on graveyard and using your graveyard. When it is with green-white, it becomes Selesnya, focusing on gaining life and sometimes playing big creatures, but not as often. Finally, we go back to basic green. Basic green is meant to be the forest, so it has small elves and other small creatures like that, which usually generate mana, to then spend that mana with all the giant mana to create giants, such as worms or little giants. Green, when they go all out, has some of the biggest creatures. Next, let's move on to my personal favorite type, blue. Blue is one of the more technical types, with it majoring in drawing cards and countering spells. When you're playing the blue, your goal is to control the cards which you draw and to control the other cards which your opponents have. When blue is combined with green, it becomes Simic, or blue-green, which specializes in using X creatures and putting lots of counters on the creatures. When blue is combined with black, it becomes Dimir. Dimir specializes in trying to sneak past and mill your opponents, sometimes by dealing damage and other times by using sneaky spells and sorceries. Now let's move on to white. White is a very gain group hug sort of type. Usually, they specialize in gaining life using life gain to get more life than your opponent and swing out using angels to kill your other opponents while gaining life. When white is combined with red, it becomes a equipment type, or Voltron. They use special spells to make their guys stronger while attaching lots of equipment to get one super strong Voltron. White possesses that was even more likely, but also occasionally uses the graveyard. I personally don't think I'm the best to tell you about Orzhov because I usually don't play it, but I'm sure you can find a bunch of good videos for it. Finally, we have black. Black is a very I do this to deal damage to you type of deck, usually. Black cards usually involve sacrificing stuff to ping or deal 1 damage to opponents, to their planeswalkers, or to their creatures. It is a very I don't care if this guy dies type of deck. When black is combined with red, it becomes a crazy and sort of out of control color. You will start having the choice to use a spell to deal 3 damage to your opponent, or use it on one of your own things and deal damage to all your opponents. Of your own things and deal damage to all your opponents. Red black is a very sort of flip a coin type deck. It's fun, and it's really fun to play, I'd say. Now we're going to black green. Black green again is very focused on graveyard, more so than black, and it uses its graveyard to cast spells from the graveyard and to be able to play special cards which you have in your graveyard. Thanks for watching, and this is the end of the video. If you want to stay, you can. This end will just be a plug. Please go check out my channel. It's called Magic Dice. I don't know my upload schedule yet. I'm just starting out, and I do a bunch of things on Magic the Gathering and other games. See you there. Bye.